how to embed a Lovable AI web app into Shopify. Here's the easy way. All you have to do is click on online store. Then right here, you will scroll down and click on customize. Now you want to add a section where you want to embed your app, and you will choose the option for custom liquid. Once you click on custom liquid here, the page that we just added, you will go into your Lovable project. I have this one. This is a quiz that I generated with Lovable, and you want to ask it for the HTML. You will just ask it, give me the HTML for this app. Now it's going to give us this. You want to copy the responsive option, actually, this one. So we're going to copy this one. Make sure your project is published. So I'm going to click on publish here and open up this web page for my project. Now, like I said, I have this copied. I'm going to go back into Shopify, paste this liquid. And here where it says your published URL, you will go into your app URL, copy it, and then you want to paste it right here in the quotation marks. Now, as you can see, we have our custom app added into Shopify and it works. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.